Display sources and system tools. In this classroom, there are projectors and whiteboards along the walls, as well as tables for students to use. First, you'll need to locate the control panel on your podium. On the screen, there'll be a button that says Press to Begin. Once you press this button, the projectors on the walls will come down. The overhead document camera attached to the podium will turn on as well. On your control panel, you will see a list of sources on the left side of the screen. These sources are your options for what is going to be shown on your podium monitor and the displays. Your options are Ninonet PC, laptop, and document camera. Ninonet PC is the computer on the podium. If you click this button, the displays will show what is on this PC. Laptop is if you have a secondary laptop that has an HDMI port. You can plug the HDMI cord, located on the podium, into the laptop. Once the cord is plugged into the laptop, click the designated button. This will display what is on your laptop to the displays. Last on the list is the document camera. Once you click this button, it will show you a list of options in the middle of the screen. These control the document camera. The first listed is the power button. This will turn the document camera on and off. You can use this panel to adjust the lights on the document camera by turning off all lamps or turning on the arm or back lamps individually. You can also use this panel to zoom the camera in or out or freeze the image. There are also buttons on the document camera itself to control these features. To return to the main menu and no longer show the document camera screen, you can press the button of the source you want to use. On the bottom right of the screen, there's a button labeled System Tools. When you press this, options for the projectors will be shown. This allows you to turn the screens on and off, move them up and down, or mute the video to each of them individually.